Now remember, don't speak Korean. Don't speak Korean, okay? Say, I can't see. I can't see. Here you go. Here you go. There it is. Cows. In the kitchen. Let's read the book. Let's read the book. Ready? Are you guys ready? Ready? Let's get the hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Cows in the kitchen. Moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen. Moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen. Moo, moo, moo. What shall we do? Next page. What's this? Get your hands up. Ready? Ducks in the dishes. Ducks in the dishes. Quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes. Quack, quack, quack. You're doing a great job. Thank you for speaking loudly. Thank you. Everyone speak up really loud. Really loud, okay? Hands up. Hands up. Ducks in the dishes. Quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes. Quack, quack, quack. What shall we do? Oh no! What shall we do? Good job. Your speaking's fantastic. Good job, you guys. Very good. Cats? In the cupboard? Cats in the cupboard? Doggies too. Cats in the cupboard. Doggies too. Cats in the cupboard. Doggies too. What shall we do? What shall we do? Oh no! Sheep in the shower. Sheep in the shower. Ba, ba, ba. Let's get the hands up again. Hands up. Sheep in the shower. Ba, ba, ba. Sheep in the shower. Ba, ba, ba. Sheep in the shower? What shall we do? Good. Speak louder. Again. What shall we do? Oh, good job. Very good. Good job. Pigs. In the garden. Hands up. Let's chant it. Pigs in the garden. Oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the garden. Oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the garden. Oink, oink, oink. What shall we do? Oh no! Goats. Goats. Everyone say it again loud. Goats. Goats. In the greenhouse. Goats in the greenhouse. Goats guys, you're ready to sing it. I think you're definitely ready.
Cows in the Kitchen. Illustrated by Airlie Anderson.
Sing loud, sing loud.
Let's learn the song.
I just love this music. It's so pretty. Such good music. Cows in the kitchen, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the kitchen, moo, moo, moo. What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Good. Sing loud. Ducks in the dishes. Ready?
Yeah.
Ducks in the dishes, quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes, quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the dishes, quack, quack, quack. What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Very good, good. Cats in the cupboard, doggies too. 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 What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Sing louder, louder. Sheep in the shower, loudly, loud. Sheep in the shower, ba, ba, ba. Sheep in the shower, ba, ba, ba. Sheep in the shower, ba, ba, ba. What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Good job, very good. Pigs in the garden, say it loud. Pigs in the garden, oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the garden, oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the garden, oink, oink, oink. What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Good, you guys, good. Goats in the greenhouse. Ready? Loudly. Goats in the greenhouse, may, may, may. Goats in the greenhouse, may, may, may. Goats in the greenhouse, may, may, may. What shall we do, Tom Farmer? Very good. Chase them away. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Say it loud. Chase them away. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Chase them away. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Chase them away. Shoo, shoo, shoo. That's what we'll do, Tom Farmer. Whew. Good job, you guys. Good singing.
When you hear this sound,
Very good, very good. Let's just go over it one more time, okay? Let's go fast, fast, fast. Ready? Cows in the kitchen.
Cows in the kitchen.
Moo, moo, moo.
트로트에 죄송합니다. 선생님 고구마 굽기가 조금씩 지연되고 있어요. 원래 시간보다 15분씩
Hold
늦게
on,
나와주세요.
Ducks in the dishes.
Ducks in the dishes.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Okay, speak louder, louder, everyone. Good job, good job. Cats in the cupboard.
Cats in the cupboard.
Doggies too. Doggies
Doggies
too.
too.
Sheep in the shower.
Sheep in the shower.
Ba, ba, ba.
Ma, ma, ma.
Good. Pigs in the garden.
Pigs in the garden.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink.
Cute, good job. Goats in the greenhouse.
Ducks in the greenhouse.
May, may, may.
Meh, meh, meh.
Chase them away.
Chase them away.
Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Good job. You guys did a good job. Clap for yourselves. Oh, I'm tired. I need a hug from somebody. Who has a hug for the teacher? Come here, darling. Give me a hug. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Thank you for the hug. Oh, good girl. Thank you. Who has a hug for teacher? Come on, darling. Give your teacher a hug. Thank you, sweet girl. Thank you. Come on, you two. Come on. Come on. I need hugs. Give me some hug energy. Good job. All right. Good job. Okay, sit down. Another hug. Give me another hug. There we go. Good. Good. Who's got hug energy for me?
Where?
All right, you guys. Come here. Come on. Come give me a hug. Give me a hug. Good. Give me a hug. Good job, you guys. Good job. Oh, be careful. Time on your friends. Chase them away. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Chase them away. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Chase them away. All right, you guys, time to go.